Reaction.
Boom! What's the word, viewers and subscribers? About TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another reaction video. Please subscribe to the channel because I know y'all will fall in love with this channel because I always upload daily Caribbean reaction videos for you guys. Now we have a song from Masicka. It's called Mute, official video. The song came out I think 2 weeks ago, but I haven't been doing any videos. But I'm back doing daily videos. So smash that subscribe button right now. And let's get straight to the reaction, okay? Alright, Masicka, Mute. Oh my god, bro. Nope. Busy right now. We can't answer no type of phone calls. You see, we working. We working. Masicka, Mute. Video, run it. Woo! So you tell me say he's in the spaceship playing the piano. And then you have the garbage truck. Because we call it Tesla truck, the garbage truck them, but we're not going to do that. We're not going to call that garbage truck in this video. Let's go. No or never. Run it. What?
Call it brave, you don't call it luck.
Yeah.
One aim of the riches, I'm a target up. Yeah, my target up. See my family suffer cause me heart for broke. Paper chase need that fast as fuck. Fling up a castle, me kill a blast the truck. Riches are flow, so pass the cup.
Nothing of flavor made that video. Alright.
One aim of the riches, I'm a target up.
Target out in my get it, you know. Go on.
I'm a target up. See my family suffer cause me heart for broke.
Yeah.
Paper chase need that fast as fuck. Fling up a castle, me kill a blast the truck.
Saying kill the what?
Paper chase need that fast as fuck. Fling up a castle, me kill a blast the truck. Riches are flow, so pass the cup. What them a say again? Cough it up. Note, lucky business without the sort.
What?
Knocky 16, me love for short. Put it on the big screen where I choke. Some a cock up Christine and I cope.
Why you move so dangerous, Masicka? Why you going so dangerous for Masicka? We will have vibes in a Masicka. Masicka, we will have vibes. Calm down, man.
Boom! Put it on the big screen where I choke.
Alright.
Some a cock up Christine and I cope.
Alright.
Them can't shake the money tree where I wrote. Rich blood, me thing never die out. And if you not talk money, not the scheme, the guy.
Me don't shake your money tree. In my root of the blood clot tree. They don't say, if your mother named Christine, me sorry, but they just say, cock up Christine and I cope. Me, Jesus Christ. I'm glad some member don't know name Christine, you know.
Rich blood, me thing never die out. And if you not talk money, not the scheme, the guy. Me not drive by for flying guy tote.
Alright.
Kill a boy and slide night boat. Sing bout that you know, while oh. Lord, we stop the crime like glow. Vanish down the 9 brand new. So me draw my gun, my pint and slow. The party done, me lie down few. Make it like class the rum, this life don't you. Pop off me thing, guys don't screw. Lights out, I drive out you. Pan clip, wipe out crew. Man sick and them a hype off flow.
Hey, Masicka, hey, you don't run with Masicka now. You don't stop it, you know. You don't stop it, you know. You don't start listening to Masicka, you know. Because Masicka talk some talk right now, you know, dog. I don't make no flavor on the ears, you know. Don't make nothing flavor on the ears, because Masicka talk some talk right now. If you listen to what Masicka say. Run tune. Alright.
Man rich and never hype on you. Pop a little bit of style and I go on no clue. Pussy me and the merit around you. Top of the city you don't call it. Note, lucky business without the sort. Knocky 16, me love for short.
Alright.
Put it on the big screen where I choke.
Alright.
Some a cock up Christine and I cope.
Alright.
Them can't shake the money tree where I wrote. Rich blood, cock up Christine and I cope. Them can't shake the money tree.
25, straight, 20, no. White. Alright. Go on. Alright.
Tree where I wrote. Rich blood, me thing never die out. And if you not talk money, not the scheme, the guy. Me out reds. just grains. That a gun smoke, that a blood stain.
Alright.
Now argue my first aim. Run up on my bus brain with a tuck chain. Killer which
I'm not gonna know if you can tuck the chain. Run up and bust brain. Fuck your man. I train for what? Bad my body, go on.
Don't take up name. Hey, smarty take him up. Cloud take up brain. From a pounds up a grains. Head a bounce up a grains. Bad and rich, we insane. My girl bad and thick, wicked frame.
Bad and rich, we insane. My girl bad and thick, wicked frame. Hey, Masicka easy body. Hey, wanna stop running with Masicka? Skla. We insane. My girl
Bad and rich, we insane. My girl bad and thick, wicked frame. Out we out, cricket game. Boy, violate, we bring in pain.
one side.
We fling flame, till my shoulder feel fucking sprain. Bust throat like we cutting cane.
Yeah.
Like we cutting cane. Note,
That's all.
lucky business without the salt.
Yeah.
Knocky 16, my love for short.
Short.
Put it on the big screen, we I choke.
And I was.
So I cock up Christine and I cope.
We are
Them
rude.
can't shake the money chain, we I wrote.
Buckler.
Rich blood, my thing never die low. And if you not talk money, not the scheme, the guy. Mute. Chip style. I saw me turn up like a brick wall. Every second.
That means they have the money. Firm and strong. We still stay strong, blood clad.
Second is another milk card. Every weapon with them gather will fall. Install the clip, the matic a flick ball.
What?
Boy try run and him stall.
Yeah.
On the ground and when him sprawl. If you jump and sprawl, stay dumb where you talk about. Call it brave, you don't call it luck. One aim of the riches and my target up. Yeah, my target up. See my family suffer cause me heart bro. Riches up, me out. Put it on the big tree where I wrote.
Masicka people. Hold on. Okay. Masicka people. Masicka people. Is it me say? Masicka. What more? Is it me say? What less I should say? What less could I expect from Masicka? But as I said again, subscribe to this channel because I always upload daily Caribbean content for y'all. Is it me say? So smash the like button, subscribe, and I will see y'all in another video with another bad reaction. What is the name of it? I'm out. Peace.